Good morning, guys. Today we're working on 2010 sound. So the vehicle have a funny issue, funny problem. So the vehicle owner complained. The vehicle, you know what? Uh, Sometimes we turn on the key. As you can see right now, the key on. He said sometimes turn on the key to get start the engine. She got no power at all, no light, anything. And sometimes it light up like this, but he crank it, it start, the engine start right up. And sometimes it just crank, no start at all. And he told me when it crank, no start, the crank can never stop. And I said, oh my God. And how you do that? And he said he disconnect the battery and it will be stop cranking. So when the engine, the vehicle running, like I can crank it right now and more information, and you guys can see. Yeah, the engine running right now. So he told me if sometime he turned the fan on for the heater or for the AC, like right now the fan off, turn on right now, turn the AC on right now, and he says sometimes he turn on the engine start, and sometimes he stop, he track on the brake and also stop. Sometimes he turn on the headlight. Yeah, I can see I turn on the headlight and it die now. See? Okay, the engine die now, guys. Okay, let me keep the headlight on position like that, and let's see. And the fan also keeping on, and I start again, see what going on. It start. Okay, as you can see, the engine wanted to start, but it start now. So let me try to turn the headlight back up. Yeah, also the fan back up. Start the engine again. And he also told me every time he make the turn signal, he make a turn and he turn on the signal and see the clutter make something crazy, the engine run rough, something like that. Let me do is see what going on. Yeah, I will turn to the left signal. I don't see any problem right now. What about right signal? Yeah, it's okay right now. Right now I keep the right signal on, and I also turn the parking light on, turn the headlight on. As you can see, the engine still run right now. Yes, and die. Okay. When I turn the headlight back to off, as you can see, the engine already start, but the headlights, the signal light right side still on. The headlight up. Okay, on. Parking light, no problem. Headlight, no problem. Funny, interesting. Okay, guys, let me turn all the light here off and everything up here. Start the engine. Okay, I believe we turn the headlight on and see we have the headlight out there on or not. Okay, now the headlight on, and something you can see right there. I don't know, this one an ABS system. Yeah, the ABS right there. Maybe you got the problem. The airbag right there may be problem because the engine running right now. And with the headlight on, let's check around to see. Yeah, let me close out the window before it lock up on it. Okay. Yeah, we have the headlight on. We have the headlight on. And why? Okay, interesting. Let's also turn the signal to the left. Also turn the fan. Yeah, I heard the engine RPM changing. Yeah, when I go to the maximum fan, the engine stop. Okay, let's turn back on. Headlight still on. Start it. It's start. Okay. What about the windshield? Okay, let me turn this back on. It's start. Okay, what the hell is that? Interesting. Okay, let's headlight still on. Signal on. Signal still on. Let me turn this again. The engine still run. Okay, now, oh my, it died. It died when I turned it here to maximum. Okay. Start again. Okay, let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, the engine still run right now, guys. And the headlight's still on. Okay, let's go outside to see. Yeah, we still have the headlight on. Engine still run. It seems to be a little rough. See, engine run rough right now. And what we need to do here, let me brake and see. Yeah, no stop when I brake. Okay, let me turn the windshield. It worked, but no stop. Huh, funny. Oh yeah, it stopped. Something funny. It stopped. Okay guys, let me go under the hood, try to let the engine run. When I check something now under the hood and the headlights on like this, the fan turn on. Yeah, let me turn the AC up. I don't want to low more on the engine and easy start the fan. Yeah, maximum like that. The engine still run. Okay, let's go under the hood. And I believe the vehicle got power or ground connection problem. Okay guys, go under the hood. As you can see on the ground cable battery, as you can see the engine running right now. As you can see it's just smoke. Why is smoke like that? Because the gas is messing in there for sure. Even look like insulation with mucus. Okay, I just quit the video on this issue for you guys see. It's long time this cable, but anyway, we need to replace this cable. And how to check if you don't see the smoke. Okay, let's see. I will take the headlight here. I put on the battery tape, go like that, connect there, and this is on this side, four-wheel have to light up, on this side, no, it's too hot, yeah, engine died, okay, I don't see. Okay, anyway, let me fit right there and see what's going on. Okay guys, right now the engine start when I touch the headlight to that point. Anyway, you can see the smoke still coming up. Let me use the water to stop smoke for now. Oh yeah, as you can see, you can hear the video. Too hot. It's too hot. Yeah, hopefully hear the issue. Okay, and another thing I need to do this to fix the problem. Okay, here the battery jump cable. Yeah, jump start cable. I can put it on the negative battery right there. And another side, it's hard for me. Okay, when we got the ground issue, the computer maybe lost the ground, and then okay, let me push on this ball, see what's going on. As you can see, when I push I see the spark. Okay, let me put this headlight on again. As you can see, let me touch on this. Yeah. Okay, this ground is still okay with the key on, the headlight on. Okay, let me try to do this to avoid no more hot right there. Okay, yeah. The problem when I push it, I don't know. I see spark. Yeah, you can see the spark right there. The spark. Oh. Yeah, you can see. It's spark like that. But put the headlight here, not light up. Why? Nothing. Okay guys, I try to do this. Bypass the negative cable and start the engine again and try something again. Make sure, yep, start right up. The fan's still on. Okay, radio, inside light, yeah, more low on the battery, and the headlight still on right there. And brake, and turn on the wiper. More speed. Yeah, as you can see, after we bypass the ground, we don't have the problem in the store no more. Okay. Why the vehicle move? This one the airbag on. ABS on. Yeah, let me. But no problem. No problem. Okay, let me put this in. I stay on like that, so you guys see, and also the wiper on high speed. This light still on. Headlight still on. Let me put the emergency light for working on both sides. Okay, first thing to do, get here working, that working, fan working, headlight on. We'll have to check around, see. Yeah, we have a signal here, no license plate. Yeah, signal on. Signal on. Signal on. Any smoke no more? Let me touch before it's so hot. Okay, now what I would like to do, I take the clamp off to see the engine stall or not. Okay. Yes, it's stall, guys. It's stall, and the wiper seems to be slowly. And then let me push back in, see the wiper become faster or not. Yep. Yeah, look at the speed, guys. Yep, it's faster now. Yeah, take off. Yeah. Put back on. As you can see from the light here, let me take off and see. Yeah, it did. Okay. Yeah, it did. Okay, guys, the main crown is shared for all the system in the vehicle. PCM, headlight, wiper, brake, everything. If we have a main crown problem and the vehicle run like crazy or won't start, something like that. Okay, let me fit that and see how we can fit the problem. As you can see, I take this off and the smoke coming up from there. Hi, hi, hi. Yep, okay, anyway, let me go inside the car, turn off everything. I will turn off everything and we'll fit the problem, fit the wire. Okay. Also the key. Okay, put the key right there. Close out the window before get the door lock. Okay. Oh man, look at this guy. I remove the battery, disconnect the battery, and as you can see on the ground cable, this side completely disconnected. Wire broken. Yeah, right here it's only insulation. Oh man, look at that, so bad. Okay, anyway, let's fix the problem right here. and see how the vehicle running. Okay guys, already fit the new ground cable here. As you can see on this one, they go to the check seat. You see the check seat ground is connected to there, and I don't access the wiring diagram, but I believe the computer circuit return on this wire, the headlight return on this wire, or the like windshield blower motor, something like that, return on this wire. And this wire, ground wire, is connected to the transmission before the startup. And the customer complains sometimes it's cranking but won't start. Cranking, won't start, and never stop cranking. Even we take off the key, turn off the key ignition, take the key out, still cranking until he said he disconnect the battery and it stop cranking. Why? I believe on this side go to the connect to the transmission, no problem at all. You can see on here, this one for the check seat ground, and I have the new one right here. Okay, that all we fit right here and throw away. And when you work on the heavy cable, you just have the tool like this. Yep. You should have the tool like this. It's very, very handy for you to do this. You see, right now I have the connection very, very secure. Okay, I don't worry about later getting loose and lock power, lock ground again. Okay, let's start the car and see. Hopefully nothing else. Okay, the key on right now. Seems to be everything normal. With the key on, engine start right up. Okay, let's see. First thing I wanna do, turn the headlight on. Okay, I already turned the headlight on here. And I want to see the headlight is light up or not. Okay, we have the headlight on both sides light up. And look to the back. You can see in there. Hopefully, yeah, it's light up. Light up. No license plate. I don't pay for the police. The vehicle owner will pay for this, but we should tell him before he pay for the police. Okay. Okay. What else I wanna do? I don't turn the signal, but I turn the emergency light for more power. And the dome light. Okay. See if the engine is still okay. No chain idle at all. Also brake. No chain. Blower motor. Also no chain. AC. And what else? So we need to test all on what information from him. Okay, put in gear. Reverse. You see the RPM seems to be a little change. That may be normal. I just worry the engine start or not. Okay, put in D. Yep, the vehicle still okay. Okay, that's it all we need to do here. Yeah, I don't think any more power here. Okay, radio. Yeah, radio is spanned at the very small current. We don't need to check for that. And now I try to wrap the engine, see how the engine responds. Seems to be perfect. Okay guys, everything keeping on, put them on like that, light on, still on, and go ahead and check under the engine bay. Okay, as you can see, fan running right now. Light blue. See, when we turn the AC on, the radiator fan on like that, that means more current draw on the battery. The more current draw on the positive side, more current return to the negative side, back to the battery. Okay, like you guys see earlier, I use the tap light here to put through the negative battery, and sometimes I put here, but I touch it here. If you don't understand, you say something make no sense, because here and here the same. No, I want to check the connection between the battery terminal and the clamp here. Cable clamp right here. If we have the back connection between the clamp and the battery terminal, the headlight will light up. And earlier you see I touched it here. If the current is return and not enough, it gets restriction from here somewhere, and it will light up. Or even on the safety valve right here for headlight something, you see it will light up. Okay, that's all. The way for mechanics, they work on electrical, they check for the connection. Understand how connect the headlight here and setting here make no sense, right? So if you guys see here, I touch to the battery positive, it will light up. That's the current is draw from the battery, it goes to the headlight, and then return here. That's why the headlight light up. But if the current goes through something, it returns to this cable, but it cannot return to the battery, and then the headlight will light up. Okay, that's it guys. If you have all the symptoms like this vehicle, like again, the owner complain, sometimes he crank the engine. Okay, I mean, let me turn off everything here. Turn off. Okay, the key out right now. He complained, sometimes he got in the car, turn on the key. Right now you can see all the light up right here. That means we have the power, right? But he said sometimes it's nothing like that. Sometimes nothing say respond at all on the clutch with the key on, and sometimes it's on like that. But he started and the light all up, and the vehicle cranking but never stop. No start, but never stop cranking. Okay, and then he told me he did connect the battery, and sometimes the engine run, as you can see, run and drive like that, and then he puts in gear to pack the reverse, and the engine start, and he put it back, start again, put it back to the reverse first, and no start, put put to the dry and start, and he do again. He put to, sometimes he put to dry, it's still running, and he let it go. But on the road, sometimes he turn the fan on for the AC. On the summertime, the engine start, and sometimes he turn the headlight, the engine start. Sometimes he brake at the stop light, stop sign, the engine stop. And that's all the information from the vehicle. If you have your own vehicle with a symptom the same like this, first thing you need to do, check for your battery connection, power, even crap. And hopefully, if you test like I did, find the problem, and you can save a lot of money. Okay, some case like this, if you tow the vehicle to the dealer, even you tow the vehicle to the shop, and at least you pay for several $100s or more. Okay, that's it, guys. If you got your own vehicle symptom like this, try to follow this video and check it out and fit your own vehicle yourself. Finally, if you cannot, you may need some mechanic involved. Okay, if you like the video, if you like the way I do, please thumb up the video and subscribe the video, and every time I put the new video, and you guys can see and learn more from there. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.